Today, I invite you to join me on a culinary journey through La Boqueria Market, one of Barcelona's most iconic destinations. Located just off La Rambla, this historic market is a sensory feast offering diverse local and international foods, fresh produce, and unique culinary experiences. La Boqueria Market is the perfect place to immerse yourself in Barcelona's tastes, smells, and culture as we continue our quest to explore the world one bite at a time. La Boqueria, Mercat de Sant Josep de la Boqueria, dates to the early 13th century. Initially, it was an open-air market for butchers and fishmongers, but over time it evolved into the impressive covered market that it stands today. The modern structure, featuring a beautiful wrought iron entrance and glass roof, was completed in 1914. Since then, La Boqueria has continued to grow and become famous, becoming a beloved landmark of the city. When you step inside La Boqueria Market, you'll be greeted by a maze of colorful stalls, each offering a unique assortment of products. From the freshest seafood to exotic fruits and vegetables, handmade sweets, and cured meats, there's something to satisfy every palate. You can also find an abundance of specialty products, such as olive oils, cheeses, and nuts. At La Boqueria, you can shop for ingredients and sample some of the best food in Barcelona. The market boasts a range of eaterias, from sit-down restaurants to tapas bars and food stalls. You can enjoy traditional Catalan dishes, Spanish tapas, sushi, and other international cuisines. Don't forget to stop by one of the market's iconic juice bars for a refreshing and healthy treat. Where to eat at La Boqueria? You can shop for ingredients and sample some of the best food in Barcelona. The market boasts a range of eaterias, from sit-down restaurants to tapas bars and food stalls. Some of the must-visit spots within La Boqueria include El Quin de la Boqueria, another popular tapas bar that specializes in fresh, seasonal ingredients. Try their huevos con chipirones, fried eggs with baby squid, or the gambas al ajillo, garlic prawns. Bar Central, a hidden gem within the market, Bar Central is known for its seafood dishes, such as grilled sardines and razor clams. Don't miss their daily specials, which display the day's freshest catch. Kiosco Universal, a bustling seafood counter that offers everything from grilled fish to fresh oysters. A must-try dish is their samburinas al horno, baked scallops. Opening hours. La Boqueria Market is open from Monday to Saturday, las 8 a.m. to las 8:30 p.m. The market is closed on Sundays and public holidays. Tips for visiting. 1. Visit early in the morning to avoid crowds, and have the best selection of fresh produce. Bring cash, as some stalls may not accept credit cards. Don't be afraid to ask vendors for recommendations or tips on how to prepare their products. Don't forget to explore the surrounding neighborhood, El Raval, which offers a mix of trendy bars, shops, and cultural attractions. Así pursue cultural enlightenment through food and travel, La Boqueria Market in Barcelona offers a unique opportunity to explore the city's rich culinary heritage. By sampling the diverse flavors and engaging with the local vendors, you can better understand the city's history, traditions, and people. So, embark on your next adventure and dive into the vibrant and delicious world of Barcelona's La Boqueria.